In a big green meadow, there lived a hard-working ant named Andy. Andy spent his days gathering food for the winter. Nearby, a cheerful grasshopper named Gary loved to sing and play all day. "Why are you always working, Andy?" "Come play with me," Gary would say, but Andy replied, "Winter is coming and I need to prepare." Winter arrived, and the meadow was covered in snow. Gary hadn't stored any food and was cold and hungry.
Step by step,
He wandered to Andy's cozy anthill and said,
hard work builds trees.
"Andy, I'm so hungry. Can you share some food with me?"
Through the trees and vines, so
Andy thought for a moment and decided to help.
the jungle's the busiest place.
He welcomed Gary inside and shared his food. "I'll help you this time.
And parrots sing,
But next year, you must also work hard and prepare," Andy said.
doing her thing.
Gary thanked Andy and promised to change his ways.
So strong and small,
When spring came, Gary kept his promise and worked alongside Andy,
and times tall.
gathering food for the next winter. The two friends laughed and sang while they worked,
Hard work builds
learning that teamwork and preparation are important. Morel of the story: hard work and preparation always pay off.
and the rivers rise.